Hello and welcome to Xamarin Form series with Enam Ajmal. This series is for absolute beginners and will then take them to an expert level. But before get started, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. So, without wasting time, let's get into it. Today's video is an introduction video where you will learn about how to install Xamarin Forms and also about how to use Xamarin Documentation. Here we are at the official documentation of Xamarin. Let's start with installation. After selecting Xamarin Forms, click on Get Started. Here you will find installation. You will also find a video which will assist you for installing Xamarin on Mac or on Windows. But there is also a step-by-step text guide as well. Moreover, if you get any problem, you can ask in comment section or at my Facebook page. Link is in the description. I encourage you to like my Facebook page so we can discuss problems and opinions there. So let's look at the step-by-step guide for installing the Xamarin Studio. You first gonna need to do is to download Visual Studio. Visual Studio have three versions: Community, Professional and Enterprises. I will recommend you to download Community version. The reason is that because it is free for students. Double click on downloaded package and start installations. You will see a pop-up appear. Here you will need to check mobile development with .NET. On the right side, you will see installation details. Just check the things as it is shown in the video. After everything is selected, and just click installation. It takes some time to install, and when it is done, click on launch. Here you are ready to make cross-platform mobile applications. But if you already have Visual Studio, what you're gonna need to do is to rerun the installer and then select the mobile application development.net. That's it. We will use the documentation throughout the series because nothing is more accurate than it. All the links are available in the description. And one more thing, every video will have a task which you will need to send me at my Facebook page in inbox. So today's task is you need to install the Xamarin Studio or Visual Studio and send me the screenshot at my Facebook page in inbox. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit like for the video. See you in next video. Goodbye.